Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video, and actually welcome to part 2 to yesterday's episode. So if you didn't watch yesterday's episode, basically this is the final part of the making coloured solar system series. So if you haven't been keeping up, then yeah, I recommend you go back and watch all the old episodes. But yeah, this is the grand finale, part 2. So yeah, you guys really seem to like yesterday's video, so yeah, many thanks for all that. You guys got a lot of likes pretty quickly, so yeah, many thanks for that. And also, I didn't really mention it yet on yesterday's video till the end. We actually hit 1,500 subscribers recently, so many thank you to everyone who subscribed, left a like, left a comment, and all that good stuff. Because I just can't appreciate it enough. Like, it's just so insane. I just cannot thank you guys. It's just so awesome. Like, it's just it goes up so quickly. Like, I just cannot thank you guys enough. Like, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't doing that. Like, if I was still below like 100 subscribers, I'd probably figure out I wasn't getting anywhere, but it is going somewhere. So yeah, let's hopefully keep it up and try and get to, I don't know, 2,000 within the close future, because that would be pretty cool. But anyways, I made a minor adjustment to the system from yesterday. So yeah, if you remember, I added Big Rock in, but it was too big, so I've just called it Rock, and I've made it a much smaller size. So I've just been running the simulation just to make sure it's all working, and it is working perfectly. So if you remember from yesterday's episode, so we made all of these bad guys, or bad boys I should say. So we've got our red planet, we've got our orange, then we've got yellow, then we've got green, and then we've got hazel green with the cool looking like brownish green colour, and then we've got the cyan, and then we've got blue. And every single one of you guys said keep Neptune as the blue planet, so I will do that. So there we go. So yeah, here's the system so far, and it's going pretty well. Like, look at this, it's just fine. Like, it's going perfectly, which is pretty cool. So yeah, there's that. So next up, if I just quickly get the actual playlist up, because I actually need to remember what colours, but I believe the next colour is indigo, since we already have blue here. So do I have any indigo coloured ones? Let's have a look here. Yeah, if you didn't see yesterday's episode, go check it out, because this is part 2. So yeah, make sure you check that bit out, because otherwise this won't really make sense. So yeah, there's that. Alright, so let me just go to the playlist here. Right, I'm just on the phone. Alright, so we've got, yeah, it's indigo is the next colour. So let's quickly check on my objects as so. Right, indigo. Did I have any indigo? Oh, we got the purple earth. We definitely use that at some point. Well, a purple template we can use for indigo. All right, so yeah, we'll use the purple as our sort of template. So let's have it in a. We don't want it too close to Neptune, so yeah, be that close. So let's put it relatively close proximity to Neptune, or yeah, let's have it there. So it's going a little slower. Right, so here's our purple planet. So we need to change it so it's more indigo than purple. So let's go to the sort of bluish sort of colour. That's more of an indigo sort of purpley colour. So looking good. All right. So what do I want to do with this guy? Let's have it as a frozen sort of world. So let's make sure there's not much water on it. Actually, let's also make sure it reflects a lot of light. So I definitely want that temperature to go down. Also lower the atmosphere to yeah. Let's have a very low atmosphere. So let's just have I don't know, just a very low amount. So yeah, not anything too crazy. So there we go. So we've got a nice sort of purpley coloured atmosphere on our indigo coloured objects. So now let's add a bit of more water. So we should start to see some ice appear, which is, yeah, there we go. Just so we get that little extra effect. So ooh, that is looking nice actually. Frozen world. Then we've got more of an ocean here. So yeah, a lot more frozen than this side than that side. But yeah, it's looking good. So actually, I'm gonna change it. All right. Let's make it a gas giant and turn it back. Right. I don't like these massive oceans on one side, then like no oceans on the other. Come on, change again. What we got? Hang on, what kind of gas giant is this going to? Oh, it's just a weird blue one. Okay. So, ooh, that's looking pretty cool actually. I like that one actually. The cracked sort of appearance. So we've got quite a lot of ocean in the south, and then not much in the north. Yeah, that's quite a unique sort of world. So yeah, we're gonna leave it like that. So yeah, it barely has any atmosphere. It reflects a lot of light. So it's very cold here. It's colder than Mars's. So pretty interesting stuff. So that is indigo. Oh wait, did I mess the settings up? Oh, we can't change the colour anymore. Does that work for indigo? Let me just compare it to a purple planet quick. Let's actually get the next planet we're using. Oh, should we use the Venus or the Earth? So that's the purple Venus. So yeah, you can really tell that is a different sort of colour compared to that. And then we'll just get the Earth to compare as well. So the purple Earth. Now which one of these do I use? So that's the purple Earth. Oh, it's quite a weird planet this actually. It's got some green in there as well. quite a weird one. So, okay, we definitely won't use that, but I think we may modify this purple Venus a bit. Yeah, because that, you can pretty much tell the difference in colour there. So, alright, so actually, yeah, we'll leave that like that. So, let's check the system's running fine. Alright, that's looking good. So, let's just quickly just save this. We'll just save it as just a random simulation for now. Let's go back into the simulation so we can access those colour settings again. So, there we go. I love the background on this system as well. It's just crazy. It's pretty cool. So, yeah, now we can access the colours. Alright, we've got to turn this purple to a more bluish sort of indigo colour. So, there we go. Now, that is more indigo. Okay, that's looking good. And I don't know if I like that. I don't know if I like the ocean being like that. What if I just remove it? Or get rid of a lot of it. Just so there's a few tiny little spots of ice. Just so it's not much. Is there any there at all? Okay, there's none there at all. So if I just add it again. So that's the minimal amount we can have. Does that look good? I don't know. Not really. Actually, what we can do is, let's have this planet upside down like that. Or have it on a quite a big tilt like that. There we go. That's looking. Yes, that's more unique. Okay, I like that. So we can't keep it called purple. Let's just call it indigo. Yeah, if you guys have got any names to what I should call these, or any of the planets here, like, you could literally just write a name for every single planet, like red, orange. What should I name them? Yeah, tell me down below, because I reckon we could do a part 3 on this where I add the moons and rings and stuff in. Because yeah, this could be a 3-parter, which I've never made a 3-parter before, so it'd be pretty cool. Yeah, there's our indigo planet. So next up we've got purple. So I'm definitely going to make use of that purple Venus we got here. So let's have this one. How should we have it? Let's have it like that, and then let's go to it. So okay, here's our purple Venus. So let's check the orbits out. So there it is. So slightly more inclined orbit up there. So all right, let's go to. I want to keep it in a hot temperature. So let's decrease the albedo so it does hopefully warm up. Is it going to warm up? Wow, we need to increase the atmosphere pressure then, or surface pressure. So let's put it to 10. Okay, now that's heating up. That's what we want. Oh, wow, we still got to increase it more. Okay, 20 ATM. We need that temperature to skyrocket. I want it to be in the 400-500s area. 50 ATM? Is that a little more? Yeah, how hard do I have to make this? 100 ATM? 400? Okay, I think 150 should be enough ATM. So this has got a lot of surface pressure. There we go, 493. So it's about quite similar to what the regular Venus is. So that's looking good already, honestly. I don't really want to modify it, but we'll make this red slightly more purple. So let's do that. Actually, that does sort of ruin it. Oh, well, we will have it completely purple, because, yeah, this one does need to be purple. So if we just remove all that, yeah, that is definitely purple. That's definitely different from indigo. So, right, let's quickly go and change you, just to make it a little more purple, and this one as well. See, we don't want to make it look too much like indigo, but we don't want to make it look like pink as well. So, right, that's our purple Venus, so that's looking good. But if we just get a quick comparison between that and the indigo one, just to see if there is a difference. So, there is indigo. So if we just remove all that, so that is the indigo planet compared to purple. So as you can see, they're not the same colour. They are different. We've got the dark blue indigo, then we've got purple. Now, if you're the only person who could tell these are the same is someone who's colourblind, I'm guessing, because yeah, they are definitely different. So that's good. So, right, I really do like the how the clouds on this one will go though. That's a pretty cool one. All right, so we've done purple. So what do we have left? So we've got grey, pink, brown, white, black, and that's it. So I think the next colour is going to be pink then. So do I have any pink white planets to use? So pink. I got the base template there for the pink atmosphere. It's basically just a Mars with a resurfaced or resurfaced. So okay, I guess we'll use Mars or this one. So I don't want to use too many gas giants. So I don't have a pink gas giant. So this has to be this definitely has to be a planet, a rocky planet, because you can't get pink gas giants in this. I don't think I've ever seen a pink coloured one, so let's have it like that. Yeah, and as you can see, it's got an orangey red trail like Mars does, because this was based off Mars, so I think we can get a climate. Yeah, we can get a climate on here, look. Alright, so there's our pink planet. Let's make the sky a little bigger as well, so let's have it at about 9,000 kilometres radius, so make it quite large. Now, what might I want to do with use? We want to make all these planets slightly different. So let's also make it slightly more pink in colour. So there we go. That's definitely pink. Mix of a bit of red. So we'll just lighten that up a bit. Okay, looking good. Just a little more pink. All right, there we go. That's definitely pink. And if we compare that to purple, that'll be completely different. That's a lot brighter in colour. Are these all brightened up? Okay, this one needs to go up a little more. That doesn't really do much though. I don't want to turn it into a gas giant to resurface it, because that will get rid of the colours. So, okay, there's that. Well, actually, what I'm thinking about as well, I saw a comment yesterday about making a, where is it? It's the settings on appearance, yeah, display mode. One of you guys said we should make a hologram sort of one. So, it's one of these options here. The hologram's sort of not there. Am I missing something? It's usually there, isn't it? Yeah, one of you guys said I should make a solar system out of holograms. But the setting isn't there. Is that just this planet or is it all of them? Let me just check. Let's go to one of these. Default. Huh. Yeah, one of you guys said we should make a hologram solar system, but the problem is there isn't an option to even do it on this one. Oh, that's because it's a gas giant. That's pretty interesting then. There's no option to do it. What if I just get a completely fresh object? I'm sorry, I'm going off topic a little here, but yeah, one of you guys said I should do it off holograms. Maybe I'll go to an older version of the game at some point to check it out. Wait, can you do it with stars? Can we do it with this? Appearance. No, not with this guy. I swear there's a hologram mode. Well, there definitely is, because I've seen it, I've used it before. What if I just get a fresh Mercury? Can I do it on that? Hologram has disappeared apparently. Well, that kind of sucks. I'll go to an older version of the game and try and find it, because hologram would be pretty cool, but apparently they're not, or it's not there. Yeah, can anyone find that out for me, if it's just my game, or if anyone watching has the game, can you check if holograms are, or you can get holograms, because the hologram option should be under appearance, right? Unless I'm missing something, I'm being stupid. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm doing everything right, yeah. So one of you said do a hologram solar system. Well, I could if the game worked. Yeah, so, yeah. Someone please say in the comments about that if it's just me or is it actually a problem, or maybe they just removed it, which kind of sucks. But yeah, that really does suck actually. Okay, so let's add some water to this. Let's go back on to what we're meant to be doing. Yeah, I'll keep an eye on trying to get those holograms back. I may go to an older version of the game. Ooh, that's looking pretty cool actually. Wait, if I just lower this a bit more. Come on, lower. Where's all the game? What are you doing? Let's do that. Okay. Wow, you barely had any on at all, and it really. This one really wants to freeze up quick. Look at that. I only press it once, and it pretty much. That's pretty weird. I guess the surface on this is very, very flat, so the water will cover the whole thing. So I guess we'll just leave this as pink then. A very, very cold. Yeah, very, very cold. Look, minus 180. Let's make it reflect even more light. Our climate's on as well. So this thing reflects 60% of the light it receives. So there's its atmosphere and stuff back. So very, very cold here. So yeah, there's our pink planet. Alright, so what's next? So brown, grey, black and white. So we'll do brown next. So brown, brown, brown. What can I use for brown? Any brown ones I could use here? Any default saved ones I used in that system? Okay, it doesn't look like it. So I guess we're going to have to go for a new whole new planet here. So oh no, I do have a brown template actually. We'll use that. So here is brown, and this is probably let's have it a lot further out. Let's have it out here. So here's our brown object. So same thing with you. Should we colonize it, or should we just leave it as is? Honestly, leaving it as is would be make it a little larger. Actually, let's have it as quite large. Let's have it at 14,000 kilometers. So quite a lot larger, and we'll just slowly play it around just to give the setting a little uniqueness. So there is brown, and we're gonna change that to more brown color. So there is that. Actually, wait. If I quickly just save the simulation, we're gonna go back and get an old object from the brown system. Actually, now I know a lot of you guys did like it when I made this. I didn't really go over it much, but let me go find. Where's the brown system? So here's brown. Right, I have got that saved, right? Yeah, there it's saved there. Okay, so brown. So there's a brown system. Right. Now, if you guys remember, I made quite a stupid object here. We're going to use this. Oh god. Yeah, we're going to use this bad boy. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm doing this. Yeah, we're going to grab this, because I saw some of you guys were talking about it in the comments yesterday. So we're going to bring in that. And we're going to get it. Yeah, we don't need this thing anymore. Get rid of that. Get out of here. So let's go to it. Oh my gosh, where is it? Oh, yeah, here it is. Poop. Yeah, that's the only time I'm going to say it, but there it is. We're bringing it back. Alright, so there's that. Right. Oh my god. Let's give it quite a weird orbit as well. So let's do this. Actually, no, I want to leave that one the way it is, but the pink one, I'm going to slightly change yours up a bit. So let's do it like that. There we go. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I just want to slightly change it, and then let's incline it Just do a few of these. And alright, so here's poop over here. God. Alright. Oh, this one just makes me chuckle a bit. But yeah, remember this from the brown system. It's coming back for more. So, okay, we're going to have to give this quite a big ATM, actually, to make it warm up. Come on, warm up. There we go. Alright, we don't want it getting too hot, though. Oh, okay, it's getting too hot. 50 ATM. Okay, it's cooling down. It's still increasing. 25 ATM. Okay, it's cooling down a bit. 10 ATM. So I don't want it getting too hot. We'll also increase the albedo a bit so it doesn't get too cold. Okay, so I have to play around with this so it warms up. Come on, warm up. Okay, now it doesn't want to do anything. 20 ATM? There we go, now it's warming up, I think. Yeah, we want to have this as a colonised planet. Come on, just a little further, warm up. There we go. So we'll probably be quite cold here, but there is liquid water here, so now we just need to wait for it to just unfreeze, and it's already pretty much the correct colour, so look at these colours. So let's also tilt it the right way. Now should we remove a bit more of the water? There we go, let's just remove it, just make it a little different. So there is our poop. Yeah, there's that planet. So yeah, we're just going to leave it the way it is from the brown solar system. So there's our brown planet. Alright, next up we'll do black. So let's go and grab the black one I have saved, because we definitely got one of those bad boys. So black, where are you at? So where is it? Come on, there it is. 2A. That was the black one. So let's have it also out here in this higher region. So let's have it over here. So here's our black coloured one. So how's the temperature here surviving? Because I really do like the way this one turned out. But the blue atmosphere is a problem. So what I'm going to do with this is, we're going to get a Pluto or a Mercury. So we'll just use Mercury, okay? So we're going to put a Mercury there. And we're going to sort of make a replica of this. So here's Mercury. So as you can see, it's got like a brownish or black-brown coloured atmosphere there. You can see it, me turn it on and off there. I want to make that planet there, but with this atmosphere. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to turn it into a gas giant. So now it's just a completely blacked out planet. So what we need to do is we need to go and then save the simulation and then reopen it. So let's go to that one there. So here we go. So it should take us right here. Okay, so now we can change the colour settings, which is perfect. So let's make it about the same size. So it's 8613 or something like that? Or yeah, something like that. So right, now we need to make this colour red. Okay, there we go. It's just getting a similar effect. Then we just have those colours as just completely black. So let's have that as that, and then you as this colour. So let's do that. So now it's a very blacked out object. Now we want to add some water to it. Not too much, but we want to add a bit of water. So we're going to go ahead and delete that one now, since we pretty much got it all correct. So I'm going to auto-orbit that. Now there should be an atmosphere here, which there is. Okay, so can we see the atmosphere? Can't see it right now. Where is it? This needs to cool down a bit. It's too hot. Come on, cool down. There you go. So you can see the black coloured atmosphere is there, which is what we want. So now we need to increase this atmosphere up. So let's make it 10 ATM. Or 20, I think is 10 okay? No, 20. Okay, I may have to go a little further. No, 25. Is that going to warm up? Come on, warm up. Please? Ah, oh, dang it. 30 ATM. Still cooling down. 50 ATM? Still, this one doesn't want to cooperate, does it? 70 ATM. Come on, warm up, please. Okay, we'll lower this down a bit. Or maybe we could have a frozen one. Wow, it doesn't want to. Wow, this really doesn't want to cooperate at all. Look at this. Wait, is that going to work now? Come on. Just want a little bit of water, not too much. So, come on, a little further. Come on, don't want to spam it too much, but here's some intense mouse clicking. Come on, where's it? Any water appearing? Oh, I just saw something there. Okay. Okay, that's looking good. Okay, we can do it one more. Okay, there we go. That's what I wanted. So it's sort of a. That's looking good. So now let's increase the infrared emission. Increase this as well. Come warm up. Still getting colder. 200 ATM. Still getting colder. Wow, this really does not want to cooperate at all. 300. Still getting cold. Wow, this does not want to work. How far away is it? Oh, that could be why. That's quite a far distance. We may have to move it a little closer, actually. So this thing is 27 AU away. Okay, it should be fine. It's receiving light, as you can see. It's not completely blacked out here, so should be working. I don't know why it's still getting colder. What if we look to 1000 ATM? No, it still doesn't work. Okay, this one is just not going to work. So let's just have it at 1 ATM then. Yeah, it's going to be quite cold here. I guess that's that. So we're going to have basically a frozen version of the planet from the black solar system, which we made to aid. There is it. So, where is it? Where'd it go? There it is. So just quickly pause it, just to get a quick comparison here. So there is that one. So as you can see, this is sort of a frozen one with a black atmosphere compared to this one here, which is a liquid planet, or it's a habitable temperature, and it's got water in it with the blue atmosphere, which doesn't look as good. But yeah, that definitely looks better with the blacky or the black the blacky brown coloured atmosphere like that. So as you can see there, that is looking good. So nice. So we're going to get rid of that one. So now we've got the pretty much the same thing with the black coloured atmosphere. So yeah, the only way to get that colour is to use it, or use Mercury, Pluto, or Charon. I think they're the ones you can get this atmosphere colour with, and Ganymede as well. So there we go. So there's that. Let's also change the settings so it rotates in 2 days, just so it speeds up a little faster. So there is that. So there we go, looking good. So yeah, this thing is not going to warm up. So there's our black coloured object. So next up we've got grey. So what I want to do for grey is, let me get, where is it? Where's the dark? There it is. So we've got our dark gas giant. So let's have this at a very strange orbit. So there's that. So let's go over here. So there's dark. Oh, how is it losing material from this distance away? That makes no sense. Let's make it a lot bigger. Actually, you could have this as the largest planet. Let's make it about size of Jupiter. There we go. Quite a lot less mass as well. And then let's play around with this a bit to have it as quite a far out sort of object here. So, oh, and I don't want to have it too inclined. Alright, so now I just want to make this a lot bigger. So 100. Oh, that's like Planet 9 almost. It's 50. Okay, that's a little too close. 60. Okay, I like that. So there's our dark one. So that's grey. So as you can see, that's quite a good look. So is it completely dark out here, or is it? Does it still receive light? So it still receives light out here. So there's our grey coloured planet. So I want to use a few more gas giants, and then for the last planet, we are going to grab the white one. So it's pretty much just a white version of this gas giant. So let's get white in there. Whoa, do not collide. Oh my, that was close. Yeah, so there's the white one. So just a white gas giant. That's pretty much all it is. So how is this losing material? How is it at that temperature? What are you doing? 0 degrees. There we go. Fixed it. Right, so we're just going to leave you like that. Just chilling out here. Let's make it reflect a bit of light. So there we go. So what's next? Oh no, that's not right. No, that's the settings are changed here. Okay, no, that's what happened here. It sort of went wrong. Okay, there we go. Is that no? Let's make it a little closer. So something like that. Okay, looking good. And then for the last planet, like I said, we're going to get the white one. We're going to have an orbit similar to the one over there. So let's make you. How is this losing material? It's still, this thing's quite large. Let's give it a 0.6 Jupiter mass. So this thing's larger, but it has less mass. Oh, I think it has more mass. Yeah, that thing is larger and has more mass actually. So it's pretty weird. Probably all due to the density level. Yeah, you can see the density is quite different here. So there is that. So now let's play around with your settings a bit and have it something like this. We want it unique. So there's that, and then let's put it at its closest point. So this will be the planet 9 of the system because this is the furthest one away. So there is that, and then at its furthest point, it is still receiving light, it looks like. Yeah, the whole year it receives light, so that's good. So how long does it take for you to go around? 400 years, so yeah, that's not the biggest orbit ever. But yeah, this system is quite large in size now, so looking good. So that is that. So now we've got all of the planets in, which is perfect. And actually, yeah, if I got them all, so we've got red, we've got orange, we've got yellow, green, cyan, we've got hazel, we've got pink. Yeah, we've got all of them. So we get a lineup here. So in this series so far, I have made 15 episodes, including the one I made yesterday. So that means there should be 14 different colours. So if we've got 1 here, 2, 3, 4, and we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh dang it, I lost my cap. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, perfect. So we've got all the colours. So there we go. So that is, this is a really nice lineup actually. So there's that. So these guys are quite similar in size. We need to make one of these slightly smaller sadly. So let's make the Venus slightly smaller. Oh, it's increasing in temperature as well. Perfect. So let's make you a little smaller. Oh, it is really increasing. Look at that. So there we go. So that's the smallest planet next to the Indigo one. So, oh, this is a really nice lineup of planets. Look at this. This is cool. And this one is not turning for some reason. How long does it take? 344 days. Let's make it 0.8 days to turn. There we go. Is that spin? Okay, this guy, we need to make the poop. That takes a year to turn round. Wow, that is a long... 0.01 years. So 3 days that thing takes a turn. This guy's turning. Is this one turning? 11 days. Let's make that 3.1 days to turn. Okay. Indigo, 11 days. Let's also have that at 0.087 days. So it only takes an hour to spin. And we've got to increase that. Let's make it 14 hours. There we go. So it's spinning quite fast. Then we've got the default Neptune. We'll leave that the way it is. Best spin here. Okay, this one's not even spinning, the dark one. Well, look how big the white one is. It's definitely the largest planet. We might have to lower that a bit. It's a little too big for my liking, so let's make it slightly smaller. So it's sort of like our system. We've got our Jupiter and Saturn, then we've got the Uranus and Neptune here, then we've just got a bunch of rocky planets. So it's similar but different. So dark, we'll make it like a gas giant. So let's have it a 10-hour day. So quite similar to Jupiter there. And then this guy, let's have it in, we could have it in 2 hours. Oh, that thing spins. Look how quick that spins. So it'll be like a raging storm over here. Because one thing, if you didn't know, the further the planets are in our solar system, the faster their winds are. So if you didn't know, Neptune, which is the furthest gas giant, not including Planet 9, so we don't know, but Neptune has the fastest winds, I believe. So it's all due to the amount of energy they receive from the sun and stuff. But yeah, so we'll make the furthest planet in our system also spin the fastest and have... Well, Neptune doesn't have the fastest day, but we'll just make it look like it's... Well, we'll make it look like it has fast winds by it spinning fast. But yeah, there's that. So, oh, look at this system. This is a really nice system. It's simple, but it's good. And the thing is, with this system, we can actually run it because there's no moons. So we can actually play this system properly. Like, here we go. If we look around here, look, the planets are actually spinning. Look, there we go. Oh, this one takes 99 days. We've got to lower that down a bit. 30 days. Actually, let's just line them up again just to quickly see. So they should all be spinning now. So 6 days there, all spinning. Okay, you're spinning. That's spinning. Okay, so there we go. So we've got all of them are working, which is good. So, oh, these are really cool, actually. Look at all these planets. So there's that. That is our coloured solar system complete. So I think I think we can do a part 3 here. So, what should we do in part 3? So for part 3, I think we're going to definitely add an asteroid belt in, and we'll also add some rings to the planets and some moons, and we can also rename them. So if you guys have got any names for all these coloured planets, we don't need to rename the brown one since it already has a name, as you can see. So yeah, we got this one here, but what should I name these? Yeah, let me know in the comments, because yeah, we could have some pretty cool names here, but nothing inappropriate, please, because if there is an inappropriate one, I will just ignore it. So yeah, don't be that guy. So yeah, tell me what names you've got for some of these planets. We could do some like names after some of the gods or something. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not really the best. I'm not really the best thinker of names. I can never really think of names. So maybe that's been a little faster. Yeah, I'm not really good at thinking of names. So yeah, tell me what you guys want to call these planets. So all of the planets except the brown one. What should I call them? Yeah, let me know down in the comments. And also, should I add? Yeah, I will do. I will do an episode on adding moons in. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Hopefully coming tomorrow or the day after. I don't know when. So there is that. So that is it for this episode. So yeah, hopefully you guys all enjoyed, and make sure you did hit that like button, subscribe for more. Helps on the journey to 1,600 subscribers now, because yeah, well, that's our next goal. So see if we can try and get that before the end of the month, because if we do, that will be insane. But yeah, there we go. So yeah, make sure you guys all have a good day. Let me know down in the comments what I should name the planets. Nothing inappropriate, like I said, please. And yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.